Ghaus-e-Pak's miracle, from death to life. When Ghaus-e-Pak was just a little boy, he had a very unusual hobby. Every morning, he would make small figures out of clay. Then, standing in front of them, he would say, "Come to life by the command of Allah." And to everyone's amazement, the clay figures would start moving as if they were alive. He would play with them all day, and when the evening came, they would turn back into simple pieces of clay. One day, a sad event happened in the village. A young child passed away. The grieving parents, hearing about Ghaus-e-Pak's gift, brought their lifeless child and placed him among the clay figures. The next morning, Ghaus-e-Pak gave his usual command for the clay figures to rise, but the dead child stayed still. Then Ghaus-e-Pak looked at the child and said clearly, "By the will of Allah, stand up." Instantly, the child opened his eyes and came back to life. The parents were overjoyed. When Ghaus-e-Pak's father heard about this, he got angry and chased him with a stick. Ghaus-e-Pak ran away, passing by a graveyard. As a playful joke, he shouted, "Run, or my father will beat you too." To everyone's shock, the graves opened and the dead began to follow him. Seeing this, his father yelled for him to stop. Ghaus-e-Pak then turned to the dead and commanded, "Return to your graves." Immediately they obeyed. He then told his father, "It's good you stopped me. If you hadn't, they would have followed us until the day of judgment." This story shows how Allah blesses his pious servants with miracles that go beyond human understanding.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.